to another edition of English Makes No Sense, right here on the YouTube channel of the same name. English Makes No Sense. Today we are going to take a look at the phrasal verb get out. Get out? Yeah, two easy one-syllable words, but when put together, they take on a whole lot of meaning. Come on! Get out means to leave or escape. Hey, get out of that burning building. Escape the burning building. Got it. Get out means to become known. Once word gets out about what a great singer she is, she will be famous. Once it becomes known. Perfect. Get out, make something available. We have to get out these books to all our new readers. We have to make it available to all of our new readers. Get out means to say something with difficulty. I'm having trouble getting the words out. Oh, I can't get the words out. I can't get it out. I'm having trouble saying it. And finally, get out means to spend free time out of your house. Whew, I can't wait to get out of the house and go on the town. Oh, I can't wait to get out of my house. I can't wait to spend my free time outside doing something fun. Got it. And here's another way you can use get out. If you want to show disbelief, if someone tells you something like, hey, I got tickets front row to the concert, you say, get out. It's like, you can't believe it. Try it. Get out. Let's review. Get out. Two words, when put together, make a phrasal verb with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 uses and meanings and disbelief. Get out. No, really, it does. Why does English have so many phrasal verbs with the word get in them and so many phrasal verbs that have multiple meanings? I don't know, but now you can read and understand these sentences. I hope. In fact, it might just be one sentence. We had to get out the news that it's okay to get out of the house. Come on, get out. What? Come on, English, get out of here. Can you make a sentence with get out? Leave it in the comments. Peace, friends.